Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be talking about a very famous website on the internet which is called as gifmaker-me. The link will be there inside the video description. From the name itself, it allows you to make uh, GIF animations from a series of images, or you can convert an existing video to a GIF file. So here you can select upload your multiple images. I will select, let's suppose, 4 images. I will select it. So it will upload these 4 images. You can see it will show the 4 uploaded images. And now this is the default animation it creates. You can see it shows you the preview here. You can see the short preview. You can change the canvas size as well. You can see how much length here, width and height. You can just control this with this slider. So after that you can even convert, just have the animation speed as well. 1500 milliseconds, so the time is there inside milliseconds. So 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second, so accordingly you can also set the animation speed. So let's suppose I set this to 5500 milliseconds. So this means that every picture will be animated after 5.5 seconds. So accordingly you can set it. Let me just set it to 2 seconds, so 2000 milliseconds. We can even repeat this, let's suppose, only for 3 times, or we can just left the value to 0. 0 means that it will repeat unlimited number of times. And then you can even provide a music as well. For music URL, you will have to go to YouTube, and if you provide a YouTube video URL, it will convert it to the audio automatically. So you just need to provide the YouTube video URL from which you need to take the audio. Simply provide the URL, and then there are some options here. Either you can create this GIF animation. If I click this, it will take some time. Please wait it. And now it has created this animation. You can view this animation, GIF animation. You can see it will take 2 seconds, and then the next image will come. You can see this is a simple GIF animation. Right click it, save this image, or you can click the download button, which is download the GIF file, which will download the GIF file for you. You can open this inside your editor. You can see this is the GIF animation it has created from the series of images. This is a very popular website on the internet. Every people uses this website in order to create GIF animations from a series of images, or you can convert an existing video to a GIF file. So in order to create a video to GIF, you can click this and upload a simple video. Go to the video section. If you want to convert this, you can see it will upload this video. After uploading it, the video is successfully uploaded, and then you can set the start time, end time, image width, image height. So it is only taking 3 seconds here. You can see we are click on the convert now button, and it will wait for some time, and then it will create it. So if you view the video here, you will see only this is a 3 second GIF animation. You can see. So very good tool, very good website. Definitely try out. The link will be there inside the video description. In order to create beautiful GIF animations, you can use this tool website, which is gifmaker.me. And definitely check out my website, guys, which is freemediatools.com, where I publish daily tools. So free media tools website, I have also given the link in the video description. This is my own website. Almost 130 tools I have published, and daily I am adding quality tools. So definitely make sure that you check out this. Please join the Facebook group as well. Almost 25 members have already joined, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, thank you.